Hello. What I'm going to show you now is a pull request that brings features for the Gutenberg Editor, and this pull request can become official. So this pull request will add some features on the Gutenberg plugin, and the responsible for creating this pull request is the James lePage, that is a contributor for the WordPress. He's part of the WordPress team, so he worked with them, and he have created this fork in his profile, and he created this branch that add responsive style attributes. And what this branch does is this. You can see that here in the editor, I have cloned his repository, and I'm testing this, and it is awesome. It should be already on the Gutenberg, but it is not. I'm so sorry for my English, but I will show you how to work with this. And well, this is not for production websites. I am just showing you how it is working. And let's create here a button. We have the button, but I will not use the buttons. I'm going to use a paragraph, and I will say that this is a button, a purple button, purple button. And I have a purple button. I will set some styles for this button, and I will add paddings and horizontal paddings, and I will add vertical paddings and the color white. So we have a button. And if we were in the official editor of Gutenberg, if I change anything here, it would subs it would override the settings that I have made on the desktop. But if I am in this I don't know, this project that we have made this pull request, we can make changes in other breakpoints without affecting other breakpoints. So if I am changing here in the tablet the color of the background to black, this will not affect the desktop. And this led us to create responsive layouts. This is what we were needing. And it shows also the overrides actually. So if I change here in the tablet also the text color for purple, this combination is beautiful. But if I change also the font size and I look in the desktop version, I will see that I have now 4 overrides. And well, I think that I can finish the video. I will just show you how you can install this version of the Gutenberg plugin to being able to test. And you need to clone his repository. You clone. I will let the link in the description. You clone his repository, and you will follow his instructions. So once you have cloned the repository, you will run npm, where's the instruction, npm install and composer install. So you install the dependencies, and you will run you will build the files. Then the WordPress will make this for you with his settings, and then you will run the Docker engine, the Docker environment also actually. and you need to have the Docker engine installed on your computer for do this. You can have a problem. I have run a problem, so uh I have solved the problem changing a file, and the problem was that for some reason the WordPress was not able to connect with the internet. And to solve this, I just came here in the packages folder and the source folder, actually the in folder, div folder, and I have selected the WordPress.js. And I have removed this exclamation, the line 63. You can just remove this and it will start working again. And that's it. You will need to rerun the npm wpm start, and you will need to rerun also the npm run build for some reason. I don't know, it was not working when I just have run it the npm wpm start, but you run this again and it will add these features. So that's the video. To make this becoming an official thing of the WordPress, we need to came here in the Gutenberg repository and say that we want this feature. We need to use our voice. So I have created a discussion, and you can join the discussion and let your own thoughts, or you can create your own discussion about this. But remember of mention this request. Remember to mention his name, James, lePage. Mention this guy and mention this pull request that he have made to make these changes become more faster, because this is very urgent. This should be in the Gutenberg for a long time ago. And to make this possible, I recommend you to join discussions on the Gutenberg repository. And yeah, that's it. This is awesome. This is what I was looking for before. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Hit the subscribe button and give a like if you have liked the video. Thank you.